Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious German sauerkraut using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 medium head of green cabbage, weighing about 3 pounds, and 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt. You'll also need a large glass jar, like a half-gallon mason jar, and a clean cutting board and knife. Making sauerkraut is a simple process that yields fantastic results, perfect for any meal. Now, let's prepare the cabbage. Start by removing any outer leaves that look bruised or damaged. Then, quarter the cabbage and carefully cut out the tough inner core from each section. Next, thinly slice the cabbage into fine shreds, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Transfer all the shredded cabbage into a large, clean mixing bowl, ready for the next step in our easy sauerkraut journey. This is where the magic happens. Sprinkle the 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt evenly over the shredded cabbage in the bowl. Now, with clean hands, vigorously massage the cabbage for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the cabbage starting to soften and release a lot of liquid. This liquid is crucial, as it will become the brine for your sauerkraut. Keep massaging until the cabbage is well submerged. Once the cabbage has released enough brine, tightly pack it into your clean glass jar, pressing down firmly to remove any air pockets. Make sure all the cabbage remains submerged under its own liquid. A fermentation weight can help if needed. Seal the jar with an airlock lid or a regular lid, remembering to burp it daily if using a regular lid. Ferment at room temperature for 1 to 4 weeks, then move it to the refrigerator to enjoy your homemade sauerkraut.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.